In a big green forest, many animals lived happily together. But in the same forest lived a monkey family, Mr. Meeko and Mrs. Mickey. They had two naughty kids, Emo and Molly. From morning till night, they played tricks and irritated everyone around. Mr. Meeko and Mrs. Mickey didn't stop them, even for a second. They laughed and made funny faces as their children caused mischief. One afternoon, Mr. Danny the deer was walking along the path, carrying some grass in his mouth. Suddenly, a banana peel landed right in front of him. He slipped and fell with a loud thud. He looked up and saw the monkey family sitting on a branch, laughing and making faces. Mr. Danny just sighed and walked away. He knew it was useless to say anything. A few days later, Mr. Roni the rabbit was hopping by with a basket of carrots. Molly picked up a stone and threw it at him. It hit Mr. Roni on the head, and blood started to drip. He touched his head and slowly went home. Mrs. Roni gasped when she saw him, holding his head in pain.
"Oh no, who did this?"
she asked, her voice trembling. The kids started to sob. Mr. Roni held his head, trying to stop the bleeding.
"Molly did this,"
he said. Mrs. Roni's eyes widened with anger.
"Molly? I'm going to complain to his parents,"
she shouted, clenching her fists. Mr. Roni said weakly,
"No use, dear. Just take me to Dr. Bruno."
At the clinic, Dr. Bruno the bear cleaned the wound and wrapped a bandage. Mrs. Roni told him everything angrily. Dr. Bruno sighed and said,
"What can we expect? Their parents laugh along when they do such things."
One morning, Mr. Zebo the zebra was walking with his kids, Leo and Lila. Emo spotted them and whispered to Molly,
"Let's have some fun. Watch this."
He giggled and threw a banana peel on the path. Lila stepped on it and slipped hard to the ground.
"Ah! My leg! It hurts!"
she cried, holding her knee, as tears rolled down her face. The monkeys burst out laughing from the tree.
"Look at her fall!"
Emo shouted, clapping his hands. Molly giggled.
That was funny.
Leo's face turned red with anger.
"You think hurting others is fun?"
he shouted, running toward the tree. Mr. Zebo called out firmly,
"Leo! Don't fight! Stay calm, son!"
But Leo didn't stop. He climbed up, grabbed Emo by the arm, and yelled,
"You'll understand how it feels now."
Then he pushed him down hard. Emo hit the ground with a loud thud.
"Ah! My head!"
He screamed as blood trickled down his forehead. Molly's face went pale. Mr. Miko rushed down shouting,
Emo! My son!
He picked him up, and Mrs. Mickey followed in panic. Together, they ran straight to Dr. Bruno's clinic.
Doctor! Leo hurt my son!
Mr. Miko cried. Dr. Bruno treated the wound and said gently,
Mr. Miko, many animals came here hurt because of your kids. You always laughed. Now it's your turn to feel that pain.
Mr. and Mrs. Mickey looked at each other silently. Their faces dropped, and shame filled their hearts. They decided not to bother anyone again. Moral: treat others well, or you will regret it.